Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to debug in JMeter. If we run any script and we need to find some debug steps and how we can able to identify. There are multiple ways we can able to do it, and first one we are going to do for how to debug and fix the errors. And here I am going to add in the test plan one thread group, and the thread group I am going to simple HTTP request, sample request, and here I am going to add for listener, that is a view tree. This is the one view tree is main resource to store that all the information, and we can able to get it for exact issues and errors, and we can able to find all the information here. And here I am going to check a simple request, that is a google.com, copy pasting this one into here, and https I'm going to paste it here. Now I'm going to hit it here. Just you can able to in the request it will give that pass or fail. Okay, once it is passed then is okay. If it is fail, then we can able to identify what kind of response it is giving, what kind of request we made it, what kind of data it is uh, given the body wise. Okay, this all the information we can able to identify here. This is a one option we can able to identify the errors. And second option, there is a text box. You can able to see in that pass place there is a icon with drop down box. You can able to click that one, and we can able to sorry, you can able to see the all options. You can able to use this all options and you can able to find it. Okay, and another option is we have the topmost corner, the yellow, and if you click it will provide the console. Okay, in the console also you can able to identify what kind of errors it is displaying, and you can able to maximize and you can able to see all the step by step and here. Okay, this is the one option we can able to identify our errors, and even you can able to search here and you can able to find that search element and case sensitive and regular expression, all the things you can able to use here, and we can able to search your elements. Okay, this is the one way best way to find your errors. Okay, and another option is presented, that is in a thread group, and right click and go to listeners, and samples, and here debug sampler is presented. Okay, this is also one way we can able to read, and here this debug sampler what will happen, it is basically it will depends on this view result place, and based upon that only it will do it, and it will read for JMeter property files and JMeter variables and system property variables. You can able to based upon your request you can made for true or false for that. Okay, and in the test plan I'm going to here, and I'm going to add for one variable, that is location is the way, name, and I'm giving the location as a name. Okay, and I'm going to add for password, and here I'm going to specifying 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now I have these things, and you can able to come to here, remove this one, and again I'm going to run my sampler. Okay, now you can able to see there is a two requests. Previous it is there only one request. After adding sampler you can able to see there is a system variables it is added, JMeter variables it is provided in the last sequence, and you can able to see there are two things, name and password is presented, that it is read, and JMeter properties also it is read, and you can able to see system properties. Okay, this is the way it will able to provide your entire information. And also we can able to add for one post process and thread group and post process, and here you can able to see debug post process. Okay, this is the one it will be basically on the request wise. Okay, In the request wise means on the particular request, if you want to identify whether what particular issue, and means now I have only one HTTP sampler request. Okay, in case if you have multiple thread and multiple HTTP requests inside that, and you can able to identify the particular HTTP request, what kind of errors and all displaying, means you can able to use HTTP request headers. You can right click and you can go for post process, and you can able to add for debug post process. This is also same way we can able to do it for same debug sampler wise only, but there's the only difference is this is the one debug post process. It is a child for HTTP request, and debug sampler is a child for thread group. Okay, and here also you can able to modify like property values true or false, sample properties are true or false, and system properties true or false, whether you want to read or not. Based upon that you can able to add it, and once you run it will give that that entire information for you. And once you run, and just you can able to do it for there also, just you can enter say run, and again you can see here after extracting you can able to see there are another option that is called that particular uh, this debug post process. Okay, and here we can able to see there are sample properties, JMeter properties, JMeter variables and properties, and this all the things it will read and it will display the particular sample. This is the whole sample, like all the HTTP requests, and here this one post process only the particular sample. Okay, this is a simple format to way, but one thing you can remember, whenever you are using for real time while running for your performance suit, disable these two options, and if it is required then only you can able to use, but when you are doing don't use this much. And while you are starting time you are writing the scripts and all, that moment you can able to identify. Once your process like once it is passed and all it's working fine, then you can disable these two options. Okay, don't use them much on that. And another plugins also we have, and we can able to use that plugins also. Go to options and plugin managers, and you can available plugins you can able to use for blaze meter step by step debugger. Okay, this is the one option best way to it will give that we can here it will give one icon. Okay, I didn't add for that, that's why it is not showing you here. In case if you are adding, then it will show you one debug pointer here. You can use that also one by one step by step for debugging for that particular request, and you can able to identify yours. And file upload also we can able to do for uh, blazemister uploader. And previous video I explained like how to upload the file, right? Here also we can able to use this blazemister uploader. Okay, this is a simple example for debugging for your request, and this is simple steps and I added here. Okay, and based upon that you can able to practice in your local and do it your best. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand and you enjoy this video, and if you like this video please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.